Hello students, today we learn second one point from lesson number 2, male reproductive system. Male reproductive system studied under two heading. First one external genital organs and second one internal genital organs. External genital organs are scrotum and penis. Internal genital organs are testes, epididymis, vasa differentia, ejaculatory duct, urethra, and associated glands. Now, it is a diagrammatic representation of male reproductive system. These are the different parts. First one, pouch-like structure is called as scrotum. Inside the scrotum, oval-shaped structure is present called as testes. Testes attached to the wall of scrotum by fibromuscular band called as juvenaculum. On the top of testes, somewhat C-shaped structure is present called as epididymis, which is present on both testes. Next one structure, penis. Penis consists urethra which run throughout the length. Penis shows slight enlargement called as glans, which is covered by prepuce. Next one, muscular duct, which is called as vasa deferens. Next one part, paired seminal vesicle, prostate gland and Cowper's gland. Seminal vesicle, prostate gland and Cowper's gland are accessory gland. Now we discuss in detail. First one external genital organ. First one part scrotum. Scrotum is a pouch-like structure suspended outside of the abdomen. Internally, it is divided into left and right compartment by a septum, scroti. Each compartment encloses testes, epididymis, spermatic cord, and part of vas deferens. Function: it provides space for location of testes and give protection to it. Second one function is very important. It acts as a thermoregulator, means it maintain a temperature for proper functioning of testes. Generally, testes require slightly lower temperature than the body temperature. Second one part, penis. It is an erectile copulatory organ of male which consists in urethra throughout the length, and it opens at the tip of penis as a urethral orifice. The free end of penis has slight enlargement which called as glans, and it is covered by a loose fold of skin called as foreskin or prepuce. Function of this penis: it helps to carry urine outside the body during urination, and the second function being copulatory organ, it also transfer the sperm into female genital tract during copulation. Now second part, internal genital organs. First one, testes, which are also called as male gonad. Testes are a pair of oval and pinkish organ which are mesodermal in origin. These are essential male reproductive organ called as primary sex organ of men. Testes connected to scrotum wall by short fibromuscular band called as juvenaculum. Next one point. The structural and functional unit of testes are called as seminiferous tubules. Function of testes: production of sperms by spermatogenesis. Second one function: it secretes a male sex hormone called as testosterone which control the development of secondary sexual characters in male. Now third one, epididymis. There are two epididymi, means each for each testis, which is somewhat C-shape. Second one point, it lies along the posterior border of each testis from top to bottom. It has three parts: head, body and tail. Now function: it receives sperm from testes through vasa efferentia. Second function: It stores sperms till ejaculation. Third one function, it help in maturation of sperms. Now third one part, vasa differentia, or it also referred as spermatic duct. It is a pair of muscular duct which is covered by a spermatic cord. Duct run upward and enter into an abdominal cavity. It enters into an abdominal cavity through inguinal canal. After entering into abdominal cavity, each vas differences cross the bladder on its respective side, and ultimately it opens into a seminal duct and ejaculatory duct. Functions, it helps to carry the sperms from ependymis up to ejaculatory duct. Now next one part, ejaculatory duct. It is a pair of duct. Each duct is formed by joining of vas differences and a duct from seminal vesicle. Both duct opens into urethra. Function, it carry the sperm along seminal fluid up to urethra. Now third one part, that is a accessory glands. First one, seminal vesicle. It is a pair of gland. Its secretion is called as seminal fluid. Seminal fluid is viscous, whitish and alkaline in nature. It contains sugar fructose and hormone prostaglandins. Now, seminal fluid along with the sperm is called as semen. Function, seminal fluid serve as a medium for the transportation of sperm. Second function, the viscous nature help to lubricate the passage of sperms. And third one function, sugar fructose provide energy to the sperm. Prostaglandins increases mobility of sperms. Second one, accessory gland, prostate gland. It is an unpaired gland present below the bladder, urinary bladder. It secretes milky and slightly acidic fluid which contain lipid, small amount of citric acid, proteolytic enzyme and bicarbonate ions. Function, its secretion help in mobility and viability of sperm. Second function, proteolytic enzyme liquefy the semen and bicarbonate ion increases ionic strength of sperm. Third one, accessory gland, Cowper's gland. It is a pair of small yellowish and pea-shaped gland. It secretes alkaline, slimy, colorless, mucus-like substance before semination. Function, it lubricates the urethra for easy transformation of sperms. And second one function, it neutralizes the acidic environment present in male urethra and vagina of female. So this is about reproductive system of men. Okay, thank you.